Harbor Freight's expanding their G2 ratchet line again. We have a brand new haul of ICON G2 ratchets. So let's first take a look at some of the new half-inch drive variations here. Here we have two of the 12-inch half-inch drive G2 ratchets, one with the comfort grip handle and one with the chrome handle. So we see there again the 12-inch versions. The heads pretty much look the same, just the difference here is on the comfort grip and the regular chrome grip. And if we take a look at the size, 12 inch, yeah, from tip to tail. So really not 12 inches to the anvil, but 12 inches overall. Just wanted to see where they were measuring from. Still some really good looking ratchets. We'll take the head apart in one of these here in a few moments to take a look at the paw and the drive mechanism and the anvil. These come in at $55 each. I think actually $54.99. Then we have the extra long or the long flex head ratchets, 18 inches long on these in both the comfort grip as well as the chrome handle. So 18-inch long ratchets with the flex head design. You see more than 180 degrees of flex in the head. And again, probably tip to tail, 18 inches. Yeah, from head to tail, 18 inches. And pricing on those are $80 each, or $79.99. Now let's move into the 3/8 drives. And what we have here is the 10-inch standard ICON G2 ratchet and the 10-inch flex head comfort grip ratchet, and then the 14-inch flex head standard ratchet and the 14-inch flex head comfort grip ratchet. And pricing is $55 for the flex head and $60 or $59.99 on the 14-inch flex head ratchets. And then the standard head ratchet is going to be $50. So $50, $55, and $60. And move the rest of these over here on the 3/8 drive. And what we have here is the corresponding flex head of the standard grip and the corresponding comfort grip of the flex head over here. So again, you're looking at $50 for the comfort grip standard head and $55 for the flex head standard grip or chrome grip. And finalizing the 1/4-inch drive ratchets, we have the flex head 6.5 inch and the flex head 9-inch versions, and these are going to be $45 and $48. And I lied, we have another 1/4-inch, and that is the flex head stubby. So this is the little stubby. I think it's 4 1/4 inches, or I think it actually said 4 1/5 inches. But anyway, yeah, so a little over 4 inches long in a flex head stubby 1/4-inch design. And let's just take a look here. No, I was wrong. I think the 3/8 is 4 1/4. This is 3 1/4 inches long on the 1/4-inch stubby, and that is $39.99. So $40 for this little stubby flex head 1/4-inch drive. And then we have a couple of 3/8 drive stubby ratchets. One is the flex head and one is the standard head. This one I think is a little over 4 inches long. So yeah, a little over 4.5. So I think they're saying like 4 5/8. And this one is just short of 4 1/4, so really closer to 4 1/8. And these are the 3/8 drive renditions of the stubby ratchets. And these are $40 and $45 each. So again, these are the additions to the new G2 ratchet lineup. And if you didn't see the last time, I might as well show you once more. We'll just go ahead and grab the standard head 1/2-inch drive right here. We'll go ahead and take this apart. Loctite on the screws. That's good. We'll pull the plate out first. And at first glance, this looks like there may not be a seal in this head, even though it says a sealed head ratchet. Well, I assure you it is sealed, and I'll show you in just a moment. There's no seal here. There is a step down right there, or a groove right there where the anvil sits. And we'll try to get this anvil out without much happening here. There we go. But if you'll look here on the anvil itself, there's a rubber seal that surrounds this right here, and that's where that seals. So it's actually on the anvil where that rubber seal is that seals to the backing plate of the ratchet. And this is a 90-tooth ratchet. All of these are 90-tooth ratchets with a special design pawl to be able to give it supremium, to be able to give it really good grip. And make sure you take a look at how this comes off. By the way, most of the wording is up towards the top if you do want to take these out. And by the way, there's also not heavy grease in here. It's more oil, which it should be on these high-tooth ratchets. They don't need heavy grease. And then you'll see here there's a little detent and kind of a plunger needle, if you will, with that spring. And on these bigger ratchets, it has that right there that kind of keeps this secure, keeps the directional lever secure. And then you can turn it around and lean it out like this. And there you have the ratchet. So really good looking design. This should hold up well, and we love the sealed head. So again, when you put this back on, and by the way, there's also an O-ring around that directional lever as well. Make sure you put it in reverse or backwards and then spin it around 180 degrees. And then that's where you can put your little mouse ears on. And then make sure this detent goes back in there as well. Then your pawl goes on. Pawl, P-A-W-L. And then if you'll just take your anvil and kind of put it teeth in first, it should just kind of lean in there and you should be good to go. Then make sure it ratchets on both sides. These larger ratchets are pretty easy to do. Sometimes the smaller ones, you don't have a lot of room to work with. And you won't have that spacer in the smaller ones as well, I don't believe. I don't remember them being there. And then as always, before you put your ratchets away, make sure you turn them in the off position. Don't want the batteries to run down. Yeah, that joke's getting old. Anyway, there we have it, the new G2 ratchets from ICON, well, from Harbor Freight, the ICON G2 ratchets.